Today I'm going to be trying this. It's a bar of dark chocolate from Lucocoa, and I'm going to be pairing it with a lovely coffee I've got from Dark Woods Coffee. Obviously, like coffee beans, cocoa beans are roasted, and based on where you get them from and the blend that you create, you can actually get vastly different flavours. So there's a lot of similarities between coffee and chocolate. Anyway, this all came about because of a Facebook post that I saw from Origin Coffee Roasters. And they had a picture and a post saying that they brewed some hot chocolate from Lucocoa. So I was intrigued and I wanted to find out more. So I went to their website and I found out that they were founded in 2015 by Amar. And they're based in London. And apparently they're the first bean-to-bar chocolate maker in London. And one of the unique, or at least distinguishing parts of what they do, apart from making them from bean to bar, is that they they stay away from refined sugars. So they use coconut sugar and lucuma, which I'd never heard of before, but it is apparently a fruit from Peru. So this is the bar I'm talking about. I'm going to open it now, and you'll see when I open this why my eyes were attracted to it. It's in the shape of a brick, isn't that cute? So obviously I had to buy it, being such an interesting looking object as well as something to eat. And of course the attractive part, which is obviously it's made from bean to bar, with organic and less refined ingredients. It's a limited edition 170 gram bar of dark chocolate, made in collaboration with Brick 60. And Brick 60 are a company, a design studio based in London, who make products based around the much loved London brick. And the chocolate used to make this is 70% Dominican Republic chocolate. So I'm going to pair this chocolate with a coffee, and the coffee I'm using is the Common Grounds barrel-aged coffee from Dark Woods. The beans were actually aged for a couple of weeks before roasting in bourbon, Kentucky bourbon barrels. So I'm going to use that, and the reason for I'm going to pair this is because actually it's going to make the coffee, well, at least for me, the coffee tastes like a liqueur coffee, especially through milk, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a cappuccino, and it's going to taste a little bit like a liqueur coffee, and I think that will really go well with the chocolate, because at this time of year, which at the moment it's New Year's Day today. Happy New Year. And this time of year, at least at Christmas time, we liqueur chocolates. And so that's what I'm kind of going for. So I'm going to grate some chocolate on top of this cappuccino, and I'm going to taste the chocolate as well. So here we go. I'm going to make the cappuccino now. Oh gosh. I tell you, when I use these beans, you can really smell a whiskey, alcohol smell. And it's a kind of sweet smell as well, sort of, there's a bit of vanilla to it, and yeah, it smells gorgeous. Right then. So we pulled a shot of espresso, 35.7, so effectively 36 grams out. That's what I was looking for. 36 grams out from an 18 gram dose. And now we're going to steam. So now I've made the coffee just over here. I'm going to take it to the, well basically it's the coffee corner, but unless we can christen it something else. So I have my bar of chocolate, have my coffee here. And firstly I'm going to have a taste of, oh well actually I've got some graters. And I'm not sure how this is going to go, but let's open the chocolate. Let's get this open. Oh yes. Look at that. Oh, right, let's try a little bit of this. Cut off a little bit. I need a sharper knife, don't I? Actually, this is pretty good to grate. Let me just taste a little bit. Lovely and dark. There's a hint of fruit. Just the right amount of sweetness if you like dark chocolate. And I can imagine this would be really nice as a hot chocolate. I believe that's one of the things that Lucocoa say that you can make with it. They said that you can use it as a cereal topper or on top of yogurt, and also to obviously make anything that needs some dark chocolate in it, some good quality dark chocolate, brownies maybe, who knows. But of course you can eat it just like this. But I'd need a very sharp. Actually, I don't think I'm going to need graters. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this. I'm going to grate off some more with this knife. Like that. I'm going to have a taste of this coffee first, actually, because I do like this coffee. You can just, you can really taste this, the kind of the whiskey flavours. At least I'm getting a kind of liqueur coffee, a little bit like that. This sort of vanilla, almost like there's a Bailey's or something in it. But there isn't any alcohol. So what I'm going to do now is gather these shavings. And just sprinkle a few on. A nice good helping of chocolate. Now that the coffee has cooled since I brought it up here, but just gonna try a sip of this. Oh, a little bit indulgent. Let's have another go at that. You can see in here that it's melting nicely. So perfect kind of drink for the winter, this time of year. Well, certainly in the northern hemisphere, where it's cold and you want a nice hot, maybe indulgent drink, bit of caffeine, bit of chocolate. Perfect. It could almost be a liqueur chocolate coffee kind of thing. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Oh yeah. Beautiful. So do you like combining coffee and chocolate like this or in a different way? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what kind of coffee or chocolate that you use what pairings that you like to do, you know, where the coffee comes from, or what sort of coffee notes that you like to combine with the chocolate. I'd be interested to hear what you think. So if you'd like to try some of this chocolate from Lucoco, you can go to lucocochocolate.com. I'll put a link in the description below. And you can buy some for yourself, or you can just find out more about what they do. And they actually sell the chocolate in a lot of shops around London, and you can check the website for that. And if you'd like to find out more about this coffee, which I'm really loving at the moment, especially this time of year, you can visit this link up here, or the link at the end of the video, to watch a video where I go more into that coffee. So I look forward to sharing another coffee with you soon.